SPIE Group is European leader in the fields of energy, industry, and communication. We are present in 38 countries. We have 55,000 employees, and revenue almost 10 billion per year. We are located in South Poland. Today I'm going to tell you more about our e-control OZE system. As Jürgen said, it's a system dedicated for energy sources, for managing these sources. SPIE Energotest is active on the fields design and analysis, control systems, electrical automation, generator excitation and motor starting systems. We also have a cabinet prefabrication and automation and protection devices. We are a producer, for example, of arc fault protection and also PMU units, as Alice mentioned in her presentation. Okay, let's jump to our experience. We are present on the market for over 30 years. We are providing comprehensive services. We design, we make engineering, we implement our solutions. Also, we do post services for our clients. And based on those experience, we have created e-control OZE system, which is dedicated for PV farms, wind farms, energy storages, and microgrids as well. We are a silver partner of COPA-DATA since last year, and we cooperate with COPA-DATA since 2014, if I remember correctly. Okay, just overview of the system structure. Of course, we are using servers. We prefer redundancy, but the system is scalable, so we always have a session with our clients. We discuss the risks, and then we choose the solution. So all the data are presented on servers. They can be in cloud, they can be physical ones. We have workstations, and the idea is to, of course, have all the data in one place so we can do the magic with it. So we connect the data from DSO, local SCADA EMS systems. We also have a data from Polish Power Stock Exchange for balancing energy market. Meteo weather forecast, it's also important. And the system is accessible via a web server, maybe some external clients if our client wants to have them. System is reachable via mobile applications. We communicate with operators, with clients via SMS, email. We also update our DSO production plans. In Poland, we have to update them for a week ahead about our prediction of production. And also, if there are any other external systems, we also communicate with them. So you can have one system which covers all the things, all the clients' needs in one place. The data is integrated well. Okay, here is an example of microgrid management overview. So we have all the data about photovoltaic installations, wind farms, magazine, energy magazine, gas generator in case of any trouble, if we need to not have blackout, or we will be working on an island because of some issues. Many charts, many KPIs for our clients, customers, so they can analyze the data in the way they want. Also, energy storage management screens, which allows them to monitor all all those devices. We have, as I mentioned, data from weather forecast. In the top we have temperature. The green one is photovoltaic production, wind production. We have the rainfall, air pressure. All those parameters are important to calculate the production. And result of our prediction on the top is our predicted customers' needs for power. Then we have on the second line we have production from panels. On the third we have production from wind farms. We see there will be no windy these days. The prediction is for 3 days. At this example, it's 72-hour prediction. And on the bottom, we have our energy storage load level. All this information we need for energy arbitrage. So the data from Polish Power Exchange is needed. We can work with 1 hour resolution of the price of the energy, 15 minutes. It depends how our client acts on the market. It can be also the price of the day next day. This is also possible. And we just buy cheap energy and sell on the higher price. It's simple. Just all of this to optimize earnings for our clients. We can divide our installations into the portfolio. For example, purchase power agreement. Each portfolio shows us different agreement with different customers. So it's easy to handle the production, the KPIs, the earnings. It's easy to manage when you group this according to your agreements, according to your portfolios. Okay, when you want to see more details, you can have, for each portfolio, you can have all the installations which are inside of them. Also, a lot of parameters for operator to analyze, to make a decision, always here in one place. Nice feature is group control scheduling, because sometimes our clients have an information from DSO that they need to reduce power output for some time because of some issues from the grid. So from one place they can easily manage their assets. Each asset can be managed separately. And we can make a schedule. For example, when we would like to reduce our power output and how long should it last? When should it be ended that we can produce full power again? Also, a map is something which our clients liked. So every pin on the map represents one installation, the status of the installation. For example, green is everything is okay, everything is fine. Yellow, okay, it could be better, but we are still producing. Red, oh my God, we have to send them the maintenance team quickly to react. Of course, we have, when you click on the particular pin, we have the details, where it is, the contact number for the people from maintenance team, and so on. Details of particular installation, detailed view, production, sun level, KPIs, the structure of the devices installed there. Many parameters, a lot of data to be analyzed is here. Site development plan, it's important for maintenance team to know where are the devices. Here we have some cameras. We have panels divided into the strings. Each string is here. We can check the level, how is the efficiency of them. If it's more wide, it means that we have to send there our maintenance team and check why it's not 100% production. Maybe the panels are dirty or there are some other issues with them. Substation visualization, so all the data from the substation we need, measurements, and so on. More details about inverters, about the strings which are connected to them. Also, we can, in case of trouble, we can really fast get into the data and analyze what really happened. We can parameterize all the strings also easily from here. The nice thing is operating point monitoring, because in our system we take the data from the producer of the panels, the characteristic of aging of that panels. We know that the panel is producing every year not as much as on the beginning. So by using this characteristic, we can trace the level of production, compare it, and if it's not okay, if there is a deviation, too much deviation in our opinion, we can of course contact our producer and talk to them. What happened? It should be producing more. DSO communication monitoring, so we can see if there is no communication with particular installation, the level of this communication, our CPU load, RAM for the servers. Maybe we need to improve our machines in future, because those kind of installation, we start with few installations, then they grow. We connect another one into the system, so the system is still growing. So in some time we need to change our machines, computers. Okay, monitoring of the communication inside one station, also all the devices. We can see the green lines that the communication is okay. Tracker management. As we know location and we know the date of the year, we can easily know where the sun is on the sky, so we can adjust an angle of the panels to maximize production and maximize our EBIT. A lot of possibilities of reports. Xenon is very good tool to make really good reports. So we are using with a pleasure this tool. Justified downtime feature, it's also for making KPIs reliable. So if the downtime is caused by some other issues, not from our fault, we can exclude them from our KPIs and make them real. Maintenance module, scheduling, shift calendar, all of this is inside the system. The cybersecurity is very important for us. We have ISO 27001, which is an international standard for information security. Also, our system, eControl OSE, is compliant with IEC 62443. We know that the COPA-DATA platform is compliant in the part of producer of the system, of the platform. We are compliant as an integrator. And also we take care that our clients do their job, and also their behavior are in the way with this norm. All about minimizing the risk of cyber accidents. Okay, my time is going going up. So we have an individual approach to each client. This is our advantage. We always talk to our clients first. We ask them what they need. We learn from them. That's why all those features came here, because our clients have some ideas. They told us what they want, what will be needed, what will help them. We listen to that, and together we make them happen. Okay, thank you for your attendance.